Hey guys, today we got a little older unit. It's a cab high fiberglass top by Glasstite. It's a Raven series. Fits a 99 to 07 Ford Super Duty with the short bed. It's blue in color. It's got a lot of scratches and paint peel, and it's a good solid unit. It's just not real pretty. It's got scratches and scuffs through there. You can see on the top it's got paint fade and chips and scratches. Clear coat peel up there on the top. It's got some scratches. It's not all chewed up and banged up and stuff like that. It's just mostly just scratched. Put a paint job on this thing, it'd look like $1 million. If $1 million looks like a truck cap. Half side sliders. They probably look like the windows may have leaked at one time. The previous owners put silicone in there to stop the leaking. Front has a sliding window in it. You can see the clear coat peeling up there, and front edge doesn't look too bad. It's got some scratches right through here. A little bit of scratches on the front corner there. Bottom edge is pretty good. Sliding window. Slides open so you can access into the cab from the bed, and from the bed to the cab. And locks back shut again. This side's probably the worst of the two. Clear coat peel. Scratches. Scratches, more scratches. But it's not chewed up. The bottom looks good. It's not all banged up. A couple chips there on the bottom edge right here and here, but and again right here. This looks like this window probably leaked as well. They got silicone put inside the track on this one as well. Half side sliders on this side. Double T handle locking rear door. Same situation, got some silicone on the top of that window. Inside the screens on there, got a couple holes right there in the screens, a couple tears in the screen. On that side, there's a couple holes right there too. You see the slider. This side, screens look pretty good except for this hole right there. But, oh, there's a small hole right there on this one. There it is. There it is, cab high fiberglass. It's a Raven series by Glasstite. It's a 99 to 07 Ford Super Duty F250 350 with the short bed. Below is a link to this unit on our website. You can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is. Purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up. That can all be done through that link there. There's also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, things like that, those can all be purchased online as well. As with all our truck caps, they are local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick them up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.